Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to differentiation. If y equals to tan of pi x by 4 whole to the power of 4 by pi x, then find dy by dx at x equals to 1. If y equals to tan pi x by 4 whole to the power of 4 by pi x, then find dy by dx at x equals to 1. Now whenever we have functions for which we have to find out the derivative are in the form of variable to the power of variable, we apply logarithm and then we differentiate on the both sides. So let us apply log on both sides. I will write down applying log on both sides. What we will have when we apply log on both sides? We will have log y is equals to logarithm of tan of pi x by 4 whole to the power of 4 by pi x. Now let us simplify this. We can write this as log of y is equals to 4 by pi x and multiply that with log of tan pi x by 4. Now we have to find out the dy by dx at x equals to 1. So what we will do, we will differentiate on both the sides. Differentiating on both sides, what we will have, let us write down log y derivative will be 1 by y and dy by dx equals to, coming to on the right hand side, we have it in the form of u into v. We know uv derivative, product of two functions derivative is derivative of first function into second function plus first function into derivative of second function. So we can just remember that product rule, then we can use it here. So first we will write down u into v dash. So u will be 4 by pi x into v dash. V dash is derivative of log tan of pi x by 4. First log of some function will be 1 by x. So can we write down 1 by tan pi x by 4? 1 divided by tan pi x by 4. Then we need to have derivative of tan pi x by 4, that is by chain rule secant square pi x by 4. Then we need to multiply that with derivative of pi x by 4, that is pi by 4, plus what is the derivative of 4 by pi x? 4 by pi is constant, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So I can write down minus 4 by pi x square and multiply that with log of tan pi x by 4. Let's go to the next step. We will write down 1 by y dy by dx is equals to, we can cancel 4 by pi and pi by 4. This 4 by pi and pi by 4 we can cancel. So we can write down 1 by x, 1 by x into cot pi x by 4 into secant square pi x by 4 minus 4 by pi x square into logarithm of tan pi x by 4 tan pi x by 4. This is what we have now. What we need to find out is dy by dx at x equals to 1. So that is important. So let's substitute now dy by dx at x equals to 1. So everywhere we'll try to substitute x equals to 1. So I will write down here. That is nothing but equals to, in the next step I can write down 1 by y value at x equals to 1. We have to find out this into dy by dx at x equals to 1. That is what we need to find out. 1 by x is 1, cot pi by 4 is 1, secant square pi by 4, we know cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos square pi by 4 is root 1 by 2. So secant square 45 degrees will be 2 minus 4 by pi into log of tan 45 degrees tan pi by 4, that is equals to 1, and we know that is equals to 0. So we have now dy by dx at x equals to 1 is equals to y value when x equals to 1, multiply that with 2, because we know is equals to 0. We know that log 1 is equals to 0, so this whole term will become 0. Now let's understand what is y value when x equals to 1. Once we know that, we are done with this problem. So let's go ahead and write down. We will say y equals to tan pi x by 4 whole to the power of 4 by pi x. When substituting x equals to 1, I will write down y when x equals to 1 is tan pi by 4 whole to the power of 4 by pi, that is equals to 1 to the power of 4 by pi, but that is equals to 1. So we know this whole thing is equals to 1, so we can write down in the next step dy by dx. What we need to find out, dy by dx at x equals to 1 is equals to 1 into 2, that is equals to